Hello everyone, welcome back for the subject of basic electrical engineering and digital electronics. I am Dr. Prashant Gu. For the today's topic is latches and flip-flop from the Department of ENTC Engineering, RCPIT Institute of Technology, Shirpur. Vision of the institute to become the leading institute in technical education, forecasting innovation, research, ethical values, sustainable development for the betterment of society. Mission of the institute is to impact a high quality technical education through innovative and interactive learning process and high quality globally recognized interventions program. Forecasting is collaborative scientific temper among the students with ethical responsibility towards the society. Third is preparing the student from diverse backgrounds who have an aptitude for employment, entrepreneurship, and research with spirit of professionalism. With we will see about vision of department to produce the competent electronics and telecommunication engineer with commitment to serve society. Mission of the department is deliver the innovative ICT enabled and interactive learning, forecasting excellence in electronics and technology, telecommunication engineering, cultivative scientific inquiry, ethical responsibility, and collaboration to address the societal and technological challenges effectively. Third mission of the department is to empower the diverse students with skill for employment, entrepreneurship, research, nurturing professionalism, and lifelong learning. Let's start the today's topic flip-flop. Flip-flop is a digital electronic circuit with two stable states that can be used to store the binary data. The storage of data can be changed by applying the varying input with the clock signal. Flip-flop and latches are the fundamental building block for digital electronic system used in computer, communications, and many other types of the system. Both are used as a data storage element. Flip-flop is a semiconductor device that has a digital output which can be toggled between the two stable states by providing it with appropriate digital input signal. We will see the next type of this JK flip-flop. In previous video, we talked about SR flip-flop. JK flip-flop is operationally similar to the SR flip-flop. JK flip-flop is a clock driven like a clock SR flip-flop. Difference is that JK flip-flop will retain its output data when two low are present at its input. Also, both the inputs are high, then output will toggle on and off. We can see here the circuit of JK flip-flop. Here SR flip-flop are connected with JK flip-flop means there is a two NAND gate are connected. It's also a cross coupling circuit. Working of JK flip-flop is Q and Q bar are feedback to the pulse steering NAND gate. It's no invalid state, including a toggle state. When J is equal to high, it's considered as a set state, while K is high is considered as a reset state. Whenever both the input are low, then there is no change. But importantly, whenever both the input is high, it considered the toggle. The meaning of toggle means output is continuously changed between the 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Here toggling means changing the next state output to the complement of the present state output. Toggling will arise due to the output to complement again and again. This complement operation continues until clock pulse goes back to 0. Since this condition is undesirable, we have to find a way to eliminate this condition. This undesirable behavior can be eliminated by edge triggering of JK flip-flop or by using master-slave JK flip-flop. Truth table of JK flip-flop. Whenever both the inputs means J and K are 0, state is hold, means there is no change within the state. Whenever J is 0 and K is equal to 1, we get a reset condition. Afterwards, when J equal to 1 and K equal to 0, we got set state. That exactly reverse things happen when we are to compare with SR flip-flop. And lastly, importantly about JK flip-flop, whenever J and K both are high, this condition is called as a toggle case. So up till now we discuss about SR and JK flip-flop. In next video we will learn about D and T flip-flop. Thank you.